back to my channel. Today I've got a special workout video with my friend Patrick here.
Hey.
So my friend Nadine requested I do a workout video. However, I'm not an expert in exercise related stuff, which is why I've got my friend here.
Hey. So I wouldn't consider myself an expert as well, but I did study to be a fitness professional a couple of years ago. So yeah.
Cool. So what are we doing today?
So today we're going to do about a 5-minute workout to train your abs.
Yeah.
And yeah, I got it from another YouTuber called Jeff Cavaliere.
Yeah.
He's a physical therapist and he's got his own YouTube channel called Athlean X.
Sounds
and
good.
I've got his app to help us do that workout.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a quick demonstration and then we can follow along by playing this video. Alright, we're started.
Okay, so this is a 4-minute and 45-second workout with a rest in between. It consists of 6 exercises that require no equipment, but we do have these mats here so that you don't have to be touching the floor if you don't like that. So yeah, the first exercise is going to be back hand tucks. You're just going to be sitting down like this. Yeah, try to face you.
Yep.
And have your hands behind you.
Yep.
I would face them to the side.
Okay, so hands to the side.
Yeah, facing to either side of you. Then you lift up your feet, and then you just go in and out.
Okay. Is there any modification for people who are struggling with this?
Maybe have your feet on the ground. I also have these, which are surprisingly helpful, where you just have something slippery on the ground and just...
Alright, so like either maybe a dishcloth or something like a...
Or your socks.
Or socks, so you can just like slide back and forth.
Back and forth.
Okay.
But yeah, when your feet are elevated, you try to get as far, as close to the ground as you can without actually touching.
Okay.
And then just go tuck in and out.
Okay, so that's exercise number 1.
Exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we've got the cross knee planks.
Okay.
It's just like a plank where I would put it on my elbows.
Yep.
But if that's feeling uncomfortable, go on your hands. So on your elbows, you tuck in where you tuck your knee into the other side.
Okay, so you're aiming for your knees to your elbows.
Yeah, knees to elbows. Yep. And
I
that's
feel like
going
there's
to...
not much room, hey?
Yeah.
If you do it with your hands, I guess it's perhaps...
So it forces you to twist and
it's just a bit more squeezy.
tackle your transverse abdominis and your obliques.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
And you were telling me earlier that with Jeff's workout, he tends to target the lower abs and work out.
Yeah. So Jeff has a specific philosophy on abs where you don't train an ab day, but you try to train it every day, and also you train from your weakest part of your abs to the strongest, so that you work out your weakest hard, which is your lower abs, and then you go into the twist motion for your obliques, and then you hit your top abs when you're actually fatigued and you're bound to like work them out even harder.
Yep, so exercise 1 and 2 is hitting those lower abs.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool.
That's
so what's
it.
exercise number 3?
Number 3 is mountain climbers. It's one of those common ones.
Yeah.
Where people kind of know where you go into a plank or even go into a V kind of shape if you need to. But going into a plank, you just do a run.
Okay.
So you're doing that. Yeah, cool. And then we rest.
Yeah.
My favorite workout. Rest for 45 seconds. And then you do a crunch twist. That's the exercise number 4.
Yep.
Where we...
So crunch twist.
We're crunching. Yeah.
So what does that look like?
So the key to this then is that you don't go all the way up, but you go up enough that you can touch your knees.
Yes.
You crunch up and then you twist left and right.
Oh wow, so you do the double.
Yeah. And then you just keep on doing that. You try to do an actual twist where your elbow almost touches the knee. I think. Just gonna double check. Ooh, he even does like a pause each one.
Okay.
So back.
Take it slow.
Yeah. Up, twist.
Okay, so it's like, left, right, left, center, right.
Yeah, that's it. Let's try to follow what he says.
And number 5?
Exercise number 5, it's called the prayer crunch,
Cool. I've never done that
Cavaliere
before.
specialty. Yeah. Where I guess you're sitting
Yep.
with your feet out and your foot on top of the other toe, and then going from just double checking, going from the crunch position. I probably shouldn't need a hat, but I didn't do my hair. Going from the crunch position, sit up.
Oh wow. Okay.
Crunch
So
up.
Welcome to Six Pack Promise.
Let me check.
right.
Yeah. Just double checking. He does go all the way up to his toe.
So it's quite a full ab
Yeah.
workout.
So
It's cool.
this will definitely be just hitting your rectus abdominis.
Okay. Where is that? Sorry.
Just the main
Oh, okay.
abs.
All right.
With the transverse kind of.
Sure. I don't know the names of these places.
Yeah, I barely know them, so I'll have to fact check them later. And that's your exercise number 5.
Yep.
And number 6 is a canoe crunch.
Canoe crunch.
Yeah, a canoe crunch is like a mix between a knee tucks, leg tucks, and also Russian oblique twists.
Okay, cool. Let's give it a go.
Yeah, cool. So, starting from just go in and out with your knees, well, even just starting with that. Then you add your hands in,
Okay.
where you twist both sides. And this should be one of the hardest ones.
Okay. Well,
I'll
okay.
take your breath away.
Cool.
Yeah.
So we're ready to get started?
Let's get started. We're going to change positions. Okay, let's get
Okay.
started. I'm just
Alright.
going to start the app.
Yeah.
And then we'll be good to
Oh,
go.
so the first one is the hand back
The
tuck.
hand back tuck.
Yes. Alright, so
It's good we're wearing pants. And start the
Welcome
workout.
to Six Pack Promise.
Just gonna-
Today's workout will require the following pieces of equipment. No equipment required for this workout.
Required.
Hands back tucks for 30 seconds. Begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's get started.
Okay.
Well, it's only half a minute per exercise.
Yeah, no, but like, I haven't done this in a while.
And so Pat, if you can talk,
Yeah,
why is it important to do exercises that work on our core?
10 seconds left.
Because abs tend to be abs are your stabilizers,
Yep.
and they help you do everyday things like even picking things up off the floor.
Okay, so we're
Cross
doing
knee planks for 60 seconds.
Yeah.
Begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The thing is though, you're not like it's kind of impractical to do an ab day because it doesn't take that long
Yep.
to actually exhaust
Your abs?
your abs.
Okay.
But and they're small muscles, but they do quite a lot in terms of stabilizing.
So then your recommendation would be
30
just to
seconds
do
left.
a little bit every day.
Yeah, well, that's what Jeff recommends, and I agree with him.
Okay.
Because it's how you'll see progress
Okay.
as well.
And we're working on our lower core right now.
Yeah, that's where I feel it. Whew.
10 seconds left.
30
30 seconds feels longer.
It's always better when you're doing this someone else. It doesn't feel
Yeah,
like
sure.
you just feel like you have to
Well-
do it.
Mountain climbers for 60 seconds.
And you're also kind of competing.
4, 3, 2,
That's
1.
where I feel anyway.
This is the third exercise.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have a break after this, right?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I forgot that we're doing it now. Oh, boys.
you can either way. Now this is a long one.
Just 40 more seconds. We're nearly there. Whew. Make sure you breathe. One of my Pilates instructor always said, if you don't breathe, you die. Just 20 more seconds.
Huh.
Do you have a favorite ab exercise? Pat?
Yeah, it's not in here.
Okay.
10 seconds left.
Nearly there. 10. Great.
45 seconds rest.
Maybe you can show us your favorite ab exercise at the end.
Yeah, maybe. No, right. During this break.
It's good.
It's got a photo of abs on it so that you can have your fitness goals.
So yeah, we're working on abs.
This is what you're working in. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And yeah, you were saying how so we're working on our lower and then we're working up.
Yeah, for sure. So you work on your lower first, and then you go to your obliques
10 seconds
with
left.
some twists, and you work your upper lats so that you can really push them hard.
I always find like it's amazing how abs you really sweat.
Yeah.
Twist
Okay.
for 30 seconds. Begin in 5,
Oh, nice.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So crunch and twist.
So technically it gets easier here, but look, you've already worked out your lower abs, which makes it even harder to do these. 'Cause you're already tired.
10 seconds left.
Yeah, nearly there.
It's been a while since I've done these, so I should
Prayer
put them.
crunch for 30 seconds.
Back inside.
Begin in 5, 4,
Okay, so
These are
stack your
pretty cool.
feet.
Stack your feet up.
1.
Ooh. Oh man, it's so much harder now that you've done that.
What if someone is struggling to do the full motion? Is there a way that they can modify it?
Maybe bend your knees.
Okay,
10 seconds left.
it's like a full ab workout.
Yep.
Well, we're nearly there. This is like the number 5 exercise?
Canoe crunch for 30
Okay.
seconds.
Yeah,
Begin in
this is the last
5,
one.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Imagine
Ooh,
you're rowing down the stream.
so hard. Oh,
Come on, Patrick, you're nearly there.
I'm so unfit.
Well, that's encouraging for the rest of us.
There you go.
We all have to do
10
this
seconds
at
left.
least maybe we
Just
should have a
try that.
challenge and do it like every day for
Yeah.
a whole week. Nearly there.
Congratulations. You've completed today's workout.
There you
You're
go.
done. Cool.
Kid is fitter than me now.
That's because I've been following what Jeff was saying, even though I didn't know.
Yeah.
Like, been doing a little bit of that every day.
Yeah, nice. That's good.
So Pat, if people wanted to like follow you or like Instagram or
Yep.
like YouTube, where can they find you?
Yeah, you can check out my Instagram or YouTube, which has j.messinkay.patchwork.
Cool.
The link will be somewhere.
I'll link it in the description
Yeah.
box. And before you go, what is your favorite ab workout?
My favorite ab workout it's one of Jeff's, where he does like a figure 8 in the air.
Oh right, so keeping your feet up and then doing
Yeah.
8.
That's
Okay,
it.
cool. And it works what on the sides or like
Yeah, your sides and
everywhere?
your lower
Okay, cool.
abs. That tends to be like, it's one of the other first workouts,
Okay, cool.
first exercises that you do
All right.
in that thing.
Catch you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye.